Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick Microsoft Teams tips like this. Today, I'll show you how to change your display name before a meeting in Microsoft Teams so you appear exactly how you want. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. You can't access meetings or name settings without being logged in. Once you're in, click the chat icon on the left sidebar. This might sound unrelated, but it's the quickest way to get to the meeting setup screen. Next, click the Meet Now icon. It usually looks like a small camera. This opens your pre-meeting settings where you can turn your camera and mic on or off, choose devices, and most importantly, change your display name. Look for your name near your profile picture or initials. Click it, type your new display name and save the change. When you're happy with it, click Start Meeting. You'll join with your updated name, so everyone sees you exactly as you want. And that's it, you've successfully changed your name before a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you found this helpful, like this video, drop a comment and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Teams guides.